Alright, just like for the turn signal replacement, I am referring to the manual here. It first tells you the location of where the brake switch is if you don't know, and how to remove that. But you also have to remove some of the bodywork, which is a section here in this manual. This manual seems invaluable, and so far it's proven extremely helpful. I'm going to leave a link for you guys down in the description, so make sure and pick one of these up if you plan to work on your own bike. Alright, we're going to start here by removing the seat, first of all. Then we're going to remove one bolt from this shock reservoir, and then we'll pull that to the side. Then there's going to be 2 bolts on the underside of this right side cover, and then 1 on the front of that cover. And it should pull out via a little push pin into a rubber grommet. Here I'm just pushing the clip out of the bracket. You'll see the clip here in a moment on the brake sensor itself. You can see this very flimsy metal here that, you know, once this bends out of place, it's no longer going to contact the switch. It actually looks like it should still work if I bend this back in place. So there are actually 2 plastic tabs on here, if I can get this to focus, and one of these is broken off, so we're going to go ahead and replace that. There's also a little membrane here that covers the switch itself, so it doesn't get dust, dirt, or grime in there, and it's broken on the other one, so let's just actually go ahead and replace this. Alright, we're going to need to cut a few zip ties here. Oh no, not the OEM Ducati zip ties. Those are worth money. You're devaluing your bike. Shut up. Shut up. Alright, and then right here we have a connector. And this, the end of it on the left side will just lift up. Let me just get a flathead. Alright, so we're going to lift this end up, and then that will slide out just like that. And then we should be able to snake this through here. For reference, here is the new one. La punta SRL. Disegno. Esatto. Espresso. Didn't know you were getting a Duolingo lesson while you were working on your bike. How do you say snake in Italian? E snecca. Se snecca the wire through here. No, it's not racist. They're also white. Right?
Yes. Italians are widely considered white today, but their racial classification in the United States has a complex history.
So am I to understand that you don't consider yourself white?
I don't mean white like Caucasian.
Okay, the battery died there, but when you get this put behind here, it'll be pretty evident that there's 2 holes here. Hopefully you can see that on camera. And those 2 pegs just snap right into that. And you don't have to play with the location or adjustment of this switch itself. All of that is done on the brake lever itself here. Yep, boom, there we go. Alright, let's go ahead and replace those zip ties. So this is going to go around the actual frame itself here too. They're going to be so dusty that you'll see where the old zip tie was. At least on mine it's that way because I'm using this bike as God intended. Get out of my workshop while I'm working. Jeez. Good Lord. Can't escape these women. I told you, get out, ho.
Yeah.
What you can't see is she's holding a hoe right now and trying to hit me with it.
Better shot.
Yeah, it's actually a really tight shot on the engine, so you can't see that. Get out of here! Alright, there's another one back here. Alright, now all that's left is to put that back together. Just take our cover here. Oh yeah, perfect. You can hear it clicking away in there. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it entertaining or helpful, please consider liking or subscribing if you like this kind of content and you want to see more in the future. Appreciate all you guys, and I'll see you in the next episode.